Hello and welcome to Space Shark Teaches. I'm Sean from Space Shark Studios, and I'm here to teach you GDScript in Godot 3.1. Let's get started. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the core of Godot, that is, nodes. As you remember, we already made a node 2D as the basis of this first main scene. But as you saw before, we need more nodes in order to actually make the game. So to do that, you can click on a node, such as this, the main root, and press the plus button, and that'll bring up the node menu. Or you can right-click and add a child node. So for now, we're going to be saying, let's add a child node of type node 2D. Go ahead and call that ball. And there, now we have a ball. If we want to deal with multiple nodes or multiple scenes as it is, we can right click and we can save branch as scene. We have this scene folder. Now we have ball. So I'll show you why this is really cool and why it's really powerful. Now that we have ball, we can open up the ball scene and we can go ahead and add another node. Let's make this one a sprite. So now that we have a sprite, let's go ahead and give it something. So sprites need textures. We can go ahead and drag that in. Now we have a sprite that we can see over in ball. Control S to save. Then using these tabs, we can go back over to main, and wouldn't you know it, ball now has a sprite. Any changes that you make over in here, so let's say we want to change the size and make it 10 by 10, so huge, right? We save that and go back into main. It changed as well. And that's going to be super, super useful when we start making things like enemies and platforms and, most importantly, the player. And so now you know how to make and save scenes. Let's go ahead and delete that sprite, but keep the ball prefab or scene. And we can go ahead and reset this at 0, 0, right back where it belongs. Save that scene, and we are ready to start adding to our ball node in the next lesson. Thank you for watching Space Shark Teaches. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe to the channel and remember to click the bell to always stay up to date. Please also join us on our Discord, linked in the comments, and check out our other videos if you ever want to see what else we've been up to. Thanks again for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make.